Yeah, you can wave it. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm coming on to share with you guys how I made these glam candle holders slash vases. So these are the items we'll be using for today's DIYs, and as usual, they are listed down below for you guys to go check them out and see what they are and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're going to start with this vase that I have here, and we're going to be using some gold glitter, the large glitter and the small one, and we're going to use some painter's tape, and we're just going to section off our vase going with a little bit of a slant. I don't want the glitter to go everywhere, so we're just putting on some painter's tape and section off the pieces that we don't want glitter on. So now we're going to take our two glitters with our Mod Podge and we're going to mix them together, and then we're going to apply them to our vase. And I will be applying 2 coats of the glitter with the Mod Podge, and in between each coat I let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then the last coat that I put on will probably take about half an hour to 40 minutes to dry, you guys. Yep. Okay, here we are with the glitter all dry. So now I'm going to use some of these gold bling gems I got from Michaels. And we are going to put some hot glue just at the top. The top gem, put some hot glue, and the rest I'll just stick them down. And then the bottom gem, I'm going to add some more hot glue. This keeps it from lifting. And we're just going to go right around, following the glitter, bling it out with the gold bling gems all the way around our vase. And now for our next DIY, I have these glitter sheets that I got from Michaels, and we are going to decorate our tall vase with these. Again, with a slant. So what I'm going to do first is, because it has the sticker, well, it has a sticky surface, I am going to lay them down first, going slant, just to make sure I got them in a nice pattern, and then I will come back and cut them and add some glue to the top and the bottom piece like I did before with the other gems. But this way it's easier to make sure that I have them even as much as possible, so that's why I'm doing it this way, and then we'll go back and cut them and glue them down. And now I'm going to add some gems that I got from Walmart, and we are going to bling out our vase even more. And again, I'm putting the glue at the top gem and the bottom gem. And now that we've added our bling gems to the vase, I'm going to add some of these stone gems to the bottom part of the vase, going all the way around. Now I am using hot glue, and you can use any adhesive that you would like to use to apply these stone gems down. But we're going right around the vase with them. And now we have this candle holder here from the Dollar Tree. And more gems. The rest of the gems I have left over, I'll be blinging out just the top part of the candle holder. Again, one glue I'll be placing at the first gem, and then another glue at the last gem. That helps keep it in place. And now we're going to add our candle holder to the bottom of our vase. Yes, I'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue, going right around, and I will let it dry for 24 hours with the E6000. The hot glue will help to hold it right away. And here's our finished look, everyone. I think it looks super glam and nice. I love how both the candle holders look, and they can be used as a candle holder or as a vase, whatever you choose, whatever kind of home decor you choose to use it as. But I think they turned out very nice and elegant. The silver is all shocking and nice. And you know, surprisingly, I love how the gold turned out. I really do. I love how this gold turned out. It looks absolutely beautiful. And this is how it looks with a candle inside. It looks very elegant and nice as a candle holder with the big pillar candle inside. And here's how it looks with flowers inside. If you choose to use it as a vase, it looks elegant as a candle holder and as a vase also. Any color flowers that you choose to put in it would be absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me which style you like better. If you like it with the candles, or if you like it with the flowers. Leave a comment down below and tell me which one you liked best. And also tell me, do you like the gold or the silver? I'm surprisingly liking the gold today. The silver is shocking and beautiful, but the gold turned out nice also. Alright everyone, thank you so much for clicking on that button and spending a few times with me today. I really appreciate it. Like I tell you guys, I really appreciate you guys and all the support and love that you give me. I really appreciate it. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone. I'll see you on the next one.